You know what you guys haven't seen in a while? What? Cabin Chronicles. Holy cow. Kilimanjaro's coming up real quick. But I'm spending this week at the cabin to knock out a bunch of stuff since I'm going to be gone for a while. So, I'm going to take you on a little journey. First, together, let's knock out all the snow on this deck. It's like a lot. It's like a whole bunch. And then, what is that? Empty firewood. I got to clear the deck so I can get to the firewood to bring it in there. So come on. Come on, let's go. Let's get it done. Whew. I got hot. I take off my hat. That's that heavy snow. You know, the kind like where people have heart attacks and stuff from it. Luckily not me. All that training's been doing me good. Now we gotta deal with that. What is that? Let me show you. That is the barbecue grill that nobody can get access to. And all the snow has weighed that tree down over that. So I gotta get the snow off and dig this puppy out, because you never know if our guests are going to want to use it. So you know what that means. Another time lapse. Let's go. You know how you start a project thinking that you're just going to knock a couple things out? Well, this driveway, they didn't go all the way over. So then I just dug it. And then I noticed you couldn't even see our little sign. So how are our guests supposed to find the place to confirm when they're using their Google Maps or whatever? So I had to dig that out and then make an area for the trash cans. And found a bunch of broken limbs. Get rid of those. Okay. Wood might wait till tomorrow. Not sure yet. I mean, I know how I am, so I'll probably do it today, but I won't want to. So we'll see. Shoveled my way to the wood. We'll knock it off here in a second. But I forgot about this. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Yikes. Do I stack the wood? Or do I shovel? I'm one of those guys that I really like people to be able to use everything that our little cabin here has to offer, especially when it's a Airbnb. So, yeah. Either way, it's happening today or tomorrow. It's kicking my ass. All right, more to go. No time to stop. I mean, there's time to stop, but we're not stopping. Let's just go. Let's just go. Woohoo! You're next. Well, great. Like the porch, I was gonna move these chairs to make it easy for me to shovel behind there, but trying to pull this one up. Yeah. Yep. Looks like I had something else to replace before I leave the cabin, and it looks like these are staying right here. three and a half hours of shoveling. I'm spent. That's all we're doing for today's Camel Chronicle. I get to that wood like tomorrow. It's not happening today. All right. Catch you on another one. Bye, guys.